Well, good morning, everyone. It's currently about 6:20. I'm about to go lift. My name is Isaac Foster, and I'm an exercise science major here at SWOSU. I'm in my junior year, and I also play football. I'm going to be taking you guys throughout my day. I hope you enjoy. I'm going to be going over to the wellness this morning to exercise. I'm going to keep it light today because at 11 a.m. Football has a workout. So relatively light, but also rise and grind. Finished my downstairs workout. The weight room was pretty packed, so I couldn't really film in there. However, I'll show you guys upstairs section we have here. Alright guys, it's about 8:45. I'm about to head over to my 9 a.m. lecture of human physiology, followed by a 10 a.m. lecture of exercise prescription and testing. Just got done with 11 a.m. lift. It's pretty solid. Catching our breath now, it's pretty tough. This is my roommate Elijah. You'll see him in the rest of the video. We kind of coincide with each other all day. My 2 p.m. class got canceled actually because of the eclipse. So I don't have class the rest of the day. So let's go get some food and hopefully we can see the eclipse later around 1:45. We got the eclipse here. It's about 1:40. The eclipse is pretty cool. I'm going to use this extra time I have right now. Normally I'm in class from 2 to 5, like I said previously. However, I'm going to use this time to do some studying, do some homework. So I'm going to take you along, maybe do a little time lapse. Alright, it's about 6 o'clock. It's been a few hours since we've gotten back from the library. It's about time to go get some dinner. After that, I believe we're going to go to a Bible study, and we're going to cap off the night watching the national championship men's basketball game. Alright, finished my study for the night. Elijah's about to go get food. I'm going to go with him. I'm going to show you guys my quick little collection. I collect protein tubs when I finish them. This should be at the roof by next year. Wrapping up the night, watching the national championship game. It's been a good day. It's approaching 9 o'clock. About to get ready for bed and start all over for tomorrow. That's been a day in the life of Isaac Foster, an exercise science major student here at SWOSU who also plays football. Go Dawgs.